This is an XC90 2017. We're about to replace the pollen filter. As you can see, it's under the glove box. We're gonna need a Torx 25 in order to remove the screws from the panel. Just like the ones here. There's the other one. There's two. Load the panel. Okay. It has two lock mechanism. Here's one in the front and the other one's here in the back. So we just have to twist to the left. This one's already open. This one too. Boom. At the end, it has two tabs. One in the front, push and pull, and on the rear too. All the way to the end here. Pull out the filter. Okay, let's get a new one. The filter has a picture. Shows an arrow, so it has to be like this. The arrow facing you. Push it in. It's good. Put the cover. Lock it in place. Push it all the way in. And reinstall the cover, and it should be it. Boom. Easy cheesy.